Hello everybody, in this video we are going to discuss how to weld a four-way junction of a water bar. This is a single way junction and this is a four-way junction. First of all, we have to prepare a mold like this, and then we are placing the mold in the back side of this water bar and we are marking to make a cut to the required size. After marking with the mold, now we are going to mark this with this right angle. Now we are ready to cut this with this angle grinder to the shape that we have marked. Then we are placing all four parts together to check whether if there is a misalignment. Here we have find out a misalignment, and now we are going to mark that one, and again we have to cut to remove the misalignment to align all four parts to one location. Now again we are cutting that misalignment to make the part align with the other parts. This is the heating element that we are using to heat all the parts. We have to connect it to the electricity and then it will get heated. As you can see now, all the parts are matching together perfectly, and now we are going to heat and fix them together. We have taken all the parts to this flat surface for the easiness of the connection. As you can see here now, we are keeping all these four parts together with some pressure generated from manually, and then we are going to insert the heating element to one side between these four parts. After inserting the heating element into the middle of these parts, we have to give pressure equally from each side to heat all the elements with a uniform pressure. Once all the sides are properly heated, we are removing the heating element and we are giving the same pressure to weld these 4 parts together. Now the welding of one side is completed, and now we are going to do the same for the other side of this water bar. Both sides welding is now completed. Now we are turning it to the other side, and now we are going to check whether if there are any defects. If there are, we are going to rectify it by this instrument. We have completed the welding of this 4-way junction of the water bar. Now we are going to place it in the site. As you can see here, this welding was done for a center bubble water bar, which we are using for the expansion joints to avoid leakage through the expansion area of the concrete joint.